The Greater Bengaluru Authority has announced a one-time scheme allowing owners of B-Khata sites to convert their properties into A-Khata through an online process. The move aims to regularize thousands of irregular sites across Bengaluru and bring them under the city's former property records. Officials said Bengaluru currently has around 25 lakh property khatas, including 17.5 lakh A-Khata and 7.5 lakh B-Khata properties. Additionally, an estimated 7 to 8 lakh sites still have no khata as they lack approvals or have not come forward for registration. Officials said the initiative is open to owners of B-Khata sites, including revenue and non-agricultural plots, without prior approval, but excludes flats and multi-story units. Property owners can apply online via the BBMP portal and complete Aadhaar authentication. The site must be connected to a public road or owners must consent to convert private roads into public ones. For sites up to 2000 square meter, the process involves no application fee with a 5% payment on the site's guidance value after inspection and approval. For larger sites, applications must be filed online by registered architects or engineers through the BPAS portal along with a scrutiny fee of 500 rupees. Officials said the software system would automatically approve eligible applications after commissioner verification, issuing A-Khata certificates digitally. The move is expected to benefit lakhs of citizens and help the city curb unregulated property development.
Congress government in Karnataka has made a revolution. The sixth guarantee I am announcing today. Sixth guarantee is Bhumi guarantee. All property rights for every citizen of the state. All property will be digitalized. All property will be digitalized. So everyone, all B-Khata which was been given earlier, it will be regularized. We are scanning all the documents of the urban khatas, all the urban properties. We are scanning. And all E-Khata, we are going to give them to the doorsteps. And today we are converting all the revenue areas, not the government properties. Their own properties which has been purchased through RTC or Panchayat, we are making that B-Khata into A-Khata. Bangalore has officially 25 lakh properties. Still 8 lakhs property has not been officially put on record. Almost 15 lakh properties will be given this opportunity. Now I have given 100 days time for them, paying just 500 rupees and 5% of the guidance value for them. We will see that all the property will be made into a khata. That means official khata where banks can give them loan and their property will be looked at a Greater Bangalore Authority properties. This is a great initiative which Government of Karnataka has took this, and all the documents will be right. My officers will go to after paying 500 rupees because for the account online, and we are going to open a separate offices in two places in one corporation. They can make a help desk, they can seek the assistance, and their documentation can be set right. So this is one of the major decisions Karnataka government and the Greater Bangalore Authority has taken a decision today.
Sir, Majumdar Shah ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ?
ನಾನು ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಏನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಡೆಮೊಕ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಥರ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು IT ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದನೇ IT ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವರು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಮಾದೇವಪುರ ಮತ್ತು KR ಪುರಂ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಜಾಗನ ಬರೀ 50 ವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟು 1000 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ 600 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. See, in order to help the IT companies for the betterment for them, for better traffic, better vehicle, better roads, we have carved that Bangalore Corporation, East Corporation with only 50 watts, where they get the entire for Bangalore the tax collection will be 6,000 crores. But only for that 5 wards, it will be 1,600 crores. This is only to help the IT corridor. We have taken this decision.
So
Sir,
one of the
Bengaluru-
previous MLAs has
Bengaluru-
moved to the court, sir. Are they trying to copy you, sir? Because earlier also asking for the rights, the Congress had moved to center as well, sir. So he says no fund, there won't be a proper development, and he's asking for the fund.
We are giving funds to everyone.
ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾರಾ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Let it see. No one can come and let 100 such people claim and let they call. It is not new. Even from Uttarakhand, even from different ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡದಿಂದನೂ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, UP-ಇಂದನೂ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಯಾವ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಈಗ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 19, 20 ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ IT-BT ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ನಮ್ದೇನೊಂದು ಸಮಿಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್.